That's right, you guessed it. First time in 3 months. We seem to be moving. Wind power.
About right though. It seems like it's more.
That's.
Oh man, that's a good.
Are you aiming?
Good video there. Perfect. Yeah.
It's a 1080 video.
1080 is what?
High definition.
Oh, it's high D.
High D.
Wow.
Wow.
So what are we doing here?
I'm documenting my first sail in 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
That's a long time, man.
Thank you very much.
Probably the longest time you've ever gone without sailing.
I'll tell you, I think I went longer one time.
Did you?
I think.
Yeah. Well, it's happening now, man. It's a pretty good maiden voyage, though.
This is awesome.
We're after 3 months, I have to admit.
We're doing great. Look, we're moving. The water's moving.
Jeez, this is perfect.
Fucking gorgeous.
Look at that. We are here.
All right, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Stop. Cut. Cut.
That's Todd.
Southern Street. The Wild Canary.
Wild Canary.
This is 25 Coronado. Built to last. Built to last. Sail. So that's
Yeah, that's Tom Edgerton, and his dad is Roger. You're doing great!
well. Well, look, you furled your jib way back to slow down. Hey, that's cool.
Oh, I like it close.
It's all right. I'm steering. This is the Wild Canary. You know, it can take a little beat. Yeah, there's like 2 boats on the whole ocean right now. You and us. I guess it's not nice enough, huh?
So you went all the way back in and then you came all the way out.
Man, I lost the memory.
Your boat's looking good.
Yeah. So clean.
It looks good.
First thought. Bottom's looking clean.
Taking off. Look at him, he's just flying. He's flying. He's flying. Another beautiful day. First time sailing in 3 months.